Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. This is one of our favorite reviews that we've been given. We love hearing we are doing a great job as we work very hard for all of our customers, providing the best service possible and listening carefully to their customer needs. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the Internet today. We look forward to talking to you.
Hi there, I'm Joshua Clint with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit on how to quick maintenance your furnace. For this, you're going to need a couple things. For this, I'm going to be using a drill to remove the faceplate off of the furnace. First thing you want to do is go to the electrical box and make sure that you shut the power off to your furnace, because there's a lot of voltage going on in there and you want to make sure that that's down so you don't have an accident.